Have you ever wondered how a flat piece of fabric takes the shape of a human body so beautifully? When we look at a fitted garment, it just feels right. But behind that fit, there are small design elements doing a lot of work. One of the most important design elements is a dart. And in today's video, I'm going to explain you what is a dart and what are its functions and how they help create shapes and curves and give a better fit. So let's dive in. What is a dart? A dart is a small fold or a tuck that is stitched into the fabric. Once stitched, it looks like a simple line, but it plays a very important role when it comes to shaping the garment. A dart is something like this as a triangular shape, and these two are called as the dart legs, and the point where they both meet is called the vanishing point. The core concept is fabric is flat, but a human body is not. It has curves at the bust, waist, hips, and even at the shoulders. So, if we want the garment to fit the body properly, we need to shape the fabric. And darts are one of the main ways we do that. The three functions of a dart. The first function of a dart is to give shape. When we stitch a dart, we are actually removing extra fabric from certain areas. This allows the garment to start forming around the body. Function number two is to create curves. For example, a bust dart helps the fabric curve smoothly over the bust. Without that shaping, the fabric may pull, wrinkle, or look loose. The third function is to give a more fitted look. Darts help control how loose or how structured a garment feels. So instead of looking flat or shapeless, the garment follows the natural lines of the body. If you start observing garments around you, you will notice darts in areas like near the bust, at the waist, or sometimes at the shoulder as well, because these are the areas where shaping is required. As a designer, understanding darts is not only about stitching, it is about understanding how the fabric interacts with the body. When you place a dart properly, you are actually controlling the fit, the fall, and the overall look of the garment. Now, think of a simple top without darts. It may look flat or slightly loose. Now, imagine the same top with darts. It looks more structured and more fitted to the body. Think of a simple top without darts. It may look flat or slightly loose. Now, imagine the same top with darts. It gives a more structured and fitted look to the garment. So, darts are not just small stitched lines. They are tools that help transform fabric into shape, and they help create curves, improve fit, and bring structure to a garment. So, the next time you look at a garment, don't just look at it. Observe how it is shaped, notice the darts, and you'll understand how the fabric is turned into form. If you liked my video, do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.